All right, welcome back. Let's do question 7c. If the estimated mean for the data below is 16,5, then what is the value of k? Show all the workings. So if you check, this is group data. And how do we estimate the mean for group data? We use the midpoint of the class intervals and the frequency. We multiply. So let me just create a context here and say these are marks of learners out of 30. So we're saying that 9 learners got between 0 and 10, 16 learners got between 10 and 20, and K learners got between 20 and 30. But we don't know the actual marks. So what we do, we assume that these 9 learners, all of them, all the 9 got this midpoint, which is 5. You see that? Okay, 5. And then here, the 16 learners, they got 15, the midpoint of the class interval there. And then the K learners got 25, the midpoint of the class interval there. You see that? And then remember that how do we find the mean? We find the sum of the data items divided by the number of the data items. And we are given the mean here. So we have the mean. So we're saying that the mean, which is 16,5, is equal to the sum of the data items. So the data item is going to be 5 times 9. Remember, we're assuming that all the 9 learners got 5. So it's going to be 5 times 9, the total of that. So it's 5 times 9, 5 times 9 plus, and then 16 times 15, 16 times 15, and then plus 25 times k. 25k is fine like that if you write like 25k. And then divided by the sum of, divided by the number of data items. So we say 9 plus 16 plus k, which is 9 plus 16, 25. So it's 25 plus k. 25 plus k. Okay. Right. And then now what do we do? Then we have to solve for k. Okay. This is like an equation with fractions. Okay. So we can start by saying 16,5 is equal to, we can find what 5 times 9 plus 16 times 15 is. This is 285. So this is 285 plus 25k over 25 plus k. Okay, and then we can multiply by the denominator on both sides of the equation. So it could become 16, or you cross multiply. Okay, or you cross multiply. 25 plus k is equal to, if you multiply by this denominator, you cancel each other out, you remain with 285 plus 25k. See that? Then let's distribute this, remove the bracket. So 16,5 plus times 25 is 412,5 plus 16,5k is equal to 285 plus 25k. Right, okay. And then we can transpose, this comes this side, this comes this side. Remember, and then becomes 412 minus 285 should be, you can use your calculator there, is 127,5. Okay, and then 25k minus 16k, this is 8,5k. And then what do you do? Divide by 8,5, divide by 8,5. Then k is equal to what? Is equal to 15. So that's the answer there that you're supposed to get. Okay, that will meet when you're doing question 7D.